Vinguys Smart Bird Feeder Review, a 2.5K AI bird feeder with alerts, solar power, and HD video for bird lovers. Vinguys V Feeder delivers a durable IP66 design, a 2.5K camera, AI Bird ID, solar power, smart alerts, and flexible mounting. 1. AI Bird Identification. AI identifies 11,000 plus species with fast, approximately 90% accurate real-time recognition. 2. 2.5K HD camera with night vision. Flagship 2.5K camera offers vibrant clarity, 130-degree view, 6-meter night vision, two-way audio, and hybrid monitoring, surpassing standard 1080p feeders. 3. Solar-powered, wire-free operation. An effective solar panel keeps the feeder charged consistently, even in partial sun. 4. Instant notifications plus auto video capture. Reliable alerts and auto recording ensure you never miss backyard bird visits. 5. Local Plus Cloud Storage. Offers flexible storage via 128GB TF card or cloud, ideal for frequent footage, and 32GB handles daily clips easily. 6. Weatherproof IP66 outdoor design. Durable IP66 build withstands all weather and resists squirrel damage reliably. 7. Multiple mounting options. Multiple mounts and strong Wi-Fi ensure flexible placement and reliable connection. 8. Thoughtful extras for better bird feeding. Useful accessories attract more species and enhance feeder customization and capacity.
Go to GearBrain for more information.